guys, Anne-Marie here with today's organizational video. I am going to be organizing my label iris container. So I have an iris container, it's 4x6, and it was stuffed full of labels, and I was tired of that. I wanted to separate them out by color. Not sure what I was thinking here, because obviously like 99% of my labels are not going to fit in this size container. So I think I intended to do it the way I get ready to do it here and all along. I don't know what I was thinking. So I got a divided container out where I can change the divisions, and then I'm just pulling out some extra dividers there. I was already trying this divided container out with my border strips. I have a border strip container, but I was trying to kind of consolidate into more similar containers. This one was kind of a weird shape that I had been using. So I decided to see if my labels would fit into the border strip divided container and go from there. And they did. And this worked a lot better because I was able to use the little dividers and customize the length of every section exactly how I needed it to be. So if you have something that you would like to work on, grab it and let's go. that's everything. There were a couple of labels where the adhesive was no longer adhesive-y. It wasn't sticking anymore, so I just decided to let those go. There were also some mailing labels that I moved to specifically be in my mailing stash. And otherwise, that is done, and it's so much easier to access now. I'm really enjoying it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider leaving a like or a comment or subscribing. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.